Na talagang bulker ni Nanay Bukay sa unang kagat. Pati lahat. 5 minutes and 15 seconds to go. 5 to score in favor by 3 points. Smenda Joey looking for favor by 3 points. Smenda Joey looking for space. Apollo faking a jumper. What a nice move. Top. Laban sa team ng BFS Trading. 14 seconds on the shot clock. Joey Smenda looking for some bounce open. Looking for space. And a jumper for 2 points. He's the ball pinakatiwala kay Joey Smenda. Smenda going to the front court, crossing the boundary lane. Magsaside step si Joey. Bang! Good for 2 points. Ginagamit 14 ng BFS Trading dito sa ating 14 na final quarter. Kuha ng Joey Smenda. Joey Smenda come in. Good for 2 points. Napakasil. 14 seconds reset on the shot clock. 6 minutes and 50. Lota 1-on-1 against Pinturillo, number 24. A fake pass and the jumper by Smenda Joey. Nothing but net. Punet. Good for us team from BFS Trading. Pero magandang angle na kinuha nitong Joey Smenda. Simpleng pukol. Talagang tinari. Minutes and 14 seconds na natitirang oras. 12 seconds on the shot clock. Lota sa palpal. Smenda Joey. Basketball count.